All right, party people, the place to be. We are downtown New Braunfels, Texas, about to check out this low light situation for the DJI Osmo Nano. So what we have right here now is normal 10-bit, no film tones, normal 10-bit. Checking out the low light situation we got going on. To me, it looks pretty dang on good, if I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. Now let's get into checking out these film tones. So first up, we have the WT. So we're checking out the WT, people. Downtown New Braunfels, watching the beautiful cars go by. And as of right now, this low light situation is looking pretty dang on good to me, people. So again, this is the WT. So I'm gonna ask you, WT, what do you think? Is it good, is it bad? Or is it just okay? Right now, we are in the FE. We in that good old FE film tone. Checking out the good old cars pass by. Posted up, downtown New Braunfels, Texas, people. What y'all think? Looks pretty good to me. For this camera to be so small, looks pretty good to me. All right, we in that TR. We in that good old TR film tone. What we think about it, people? What we think about it? I don't know, man. I'm checking it inside out. So far, so good on these film tones and low light. Once again, we in TR. What you think about it? What we thinking about it, people? All right, let's go to the next one. Now we are in NV. We in that good old NV, people. I got the DJI Osmo Nano on the pole, and that's a good thing about it, man. You can just, it's magnetized, so you can find something metal, put it up on there. You got your little old setup, and you can do nice high quality videos like this by your lonesome. It's perfect for the solo creator and the vlogger. So once again, what y'all think about this? All right, people, now we are checking out the NC. The NC film tone, this little Osmo Nano. I'm telling you, this little old camera, man, it's something nice. Something nice, people. It's something nice. It's pretty dang on good if you ask me. So far, so good, people. Which film tone do y'all like? Me, I like that last one we did, the nostalgia look, man. I like that NV, man. I like that NV, but that's just me. What y'all think about it? Moving on. Last but not least, people, we got that CC. We got that CC, people. All of them look pretty good. You know, like always, it's up to what you like. So shout out to my introverts. Get out here and teach you how to film by your lonesome without feeling awkward. And tools like the DJI Osmo Nano can help you out because it's so easy to use. And being with that magnet on there, you can just plop it anywhere. Get you some nice high quality content on some low light situation in downtown New Braunfels. That good old bill, man, the good old bill. But there you go, there's the new film tones. Like I say, the DJI Osmo Nano has become my favorite camera because it's so easy to pull out and just use. It makes you want to get up and get out and use it. I'm telling you, introverts, this is gonna be your next best friend right here. So without further ado, let's get to walking around and testing it out and check out this downtown New Braunfels in the nighttime. All right, let's go and check it inside out, see what this night like, see what this low light do. Downtown New Braunfels, Texas, people. Check it inside out.
Yes.
That good old coffee shop over there, y'all. Y'all know what it is. You see me a couple of my videos, you know what it is. It be popping over here Saturday and Sunday, y'all. Got that Callahan's, baby. That's our quality pizza. Across this old street over here, we got Cackalax. That moonshine. Might have to pop on up in there and give me a little drink. Empty alley, don't do it. You know I know better than that, people. Come on. Talk to your boy, you know I know better than that one. Just looking for a vampire to come down and get you. Introverted's heaven. Look at that, people. Get you some nice high quality footage, man. Get out here. Use this nice high quality Osmo Nano and get you some of that good footage. You gotta get, I'm gonna teach you how to be comfortable being uncomfortable.